Hello guys, my name is Oluwatobi and I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be on 6 Gmail tricks you should use every day. So let's get right into the video. Number 1. How to access multiple accounts at once. If you have more than one active Gmail account, you can switch between them effortlessly by clicking on your profile here and switching between different accounts. And also you can also select the add another account if you want to add a new Gmail account. How to set up filters. Filters come in handy when you've got loads of emails and you want to organize and prioritize them. To set up a filter, go to Settings, select CO Settings, go to Filters and Blocked Addresses, and select Create a New Filter. And this is where you can filter from the subject, the words, and the recipient. And when you're done, select Create Filter. Number 3. Undo a sent message. So if you're like me, where you've second guessed yourself after hitting the send button, you can undo a sent message on your Gmail account by going to settings, going to seal settings. Then we've got the undo send button here. We've got a cancellation period. The maximum we've got here is 30 seconds. And when you're done, don't forget to save it. I've saved mine already, so I'm going to test this feature out by creating a new message. Go to compose and let's try to send a message to James Joint at gmail.com. Hello, testing. Okay, then I'll select the send button here. Then we should see an undo send feature here, which I'll select. And that's it, sending undone. Number 4. So this is for my people who've got friends and co-workers in different time zones and you don't want to disturb them when you send messages to them. I can teach you how to schedule a message with your Gmail account. So for example, I've got James Joint here, hello as the subject and testing as the body. Then instead of selecting the send button here, we use this feature here where it says more send options, select it, and this is where you select the schedule send. And from here you can pick the date or time. So let's say I'm going to pick date and time. You can decide to send this message, let's say tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. and when you're done, when you've chosen like the preferred date and time, select schedule send and scheduling send. So the message is going to be sent tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. and also you can also undo it here also if you made a mistake. Number 5. Mute conversation. To mute a conversation or email thread on your Gmail, select your email you like to mute and select this free button feature here and select the mute button. This won't stop your emails from coming through, it's just going to stop or prevent the distraction. Confidential mode. Confidential mode lets you add an expiration date to emails, and once that time's up, the email becomes unavailable to the recipient. And to set up a confidential mode in your Gmail, go to compose. Let's say I'm going to enter the recipient, let's say James Joint at gmail.com. Then enter the subject as hello, body as testing. And to set up the confidential mode, you select this here, which is turn confidential mode on or off, select it. And this is where you can set the expiration. So you can put it for 1 day, you can put it for a month, 3 months, 5 years. And also, if you want a passcode to it, you just select passcode. It's going to be an SMS passcode. You select that, and when you're done, select the save button. And as you can see, it says recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. And when you're done, just select the send button here, and also it's going to ask you for a phone number just to confirm. Thank you so much. for listening. And if you like my other videos, please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.